What is transcription? Transcription is the process by which the genetic information encoded in DNA is copied into a complementary RNA sequence. This process is essential for gene expression and protein synthesis in all living organisms. Transcription is a crucial process that involves the extraction of genetic information from DNA and the addition of RNA. It is difficult to maintain gene integrity gene ag synthesis at protein. Ang RNA polymerase ay part it DNA double helix nga gadugang it mga nucleotide sa RNA strand. Ang transcription ay is complicated process nga nakakaapekto sa lahat ng mga organisms. Ito ay responsible sa pagtukoy sa kalagahan at expression it gene sa molecule, its structure, it DNA, kaugnay it complementary sequence, it RNA. Ito ay mahalaga para sa pagpapabuhay ng gene at synthesis it mga protein.
Here are some transcription process.
Hi everyone, I'm Giovanni Donato. My topic is initiation. Initiation transcription begins with the binding of RNA polymerase, an enzyme responsible for synthesizing RNA to a specific region of DNA, called the promoter. The promoter contains the sequence where transcription starts. Though transcription kuno ay nag-umpisa sa RNA, polymerase binds the promoter sequence near the beginning of the gene, directly or through helper proteins. Polymerase has gamit it some bilog nga DNA to strand. The template stands. As a template ay pwede makaobra it panibagong complementary RNA. Polymer molecules do transcription kuno ay ends imo sa proseso nga ginatawag nga termination.
Elongation. Once RNA polymerase is bound to the promoter, it moves along the DNA template strand in the 3 to 5 direction, synthesizing a complementary RNA strand in the 5 to 3 direction. As RNA polymerase moves along the DNA, it unwinds the double helix and adds RNA nucleotides to the growing RNA strand based on complementary base pairing AUGC. RNA polymerase ay imaurog pangunahing enzyme nga kaibahan sa pagtranscript. Gamit imaw it single strand ng DNA para ma-synthesize it sa complementary RNA strand. Through DNA-dependent nga RNA polymerase ay nagbuklod sa promoter ag direksyon paadto sa template strand. Ag kung maabot yun naro pagsunod terminator kato bagatapos do proseso at ginapagawa do bagong synthesize nga RNA strand.
Termination transcription continues until RNA polymerase reaches a termination signal in the DNA sequence. This signal causes RNA polymerase to detach from the RNA template, releasing the new synthesized RNA molecule. Transcription kuno ay padayon nasta sa RNA polymerase do DNA kuno resulta ito nga signal ay dahil sa RNA polymerase halin sa DNA template mahalin mo sa bag-ong synthesized RNA molecule.